Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll guide you through how to edit your name on Moomoo. Whether you've recently changed your name or just want a fresh start, updating your profile name is a simple process. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. Once you've got the app open, go ahead and log in to your account. If you've enabled biometric login, such as fingerprint or face recognition, this step can be as quick as a tap or a glance. Otherwise, just enter your credentials as usual. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons there, and you'll want to tap the one labeled Me. This button is your gateway to all your personal account settings, so it's a handy one to remember for future tweaks or updates. Once you're on your profile page, the next step is to tap on Edit Profile. This is where you can make various changes to your account details, but for today, we're focusing on your name. Tap on the Name field, which is clearly labeled, making it easy to spot among other options on the screen. Now it's time for the main event, entering your new name. Simply tap on the current name displayed to bring up the keyboard. Carefully type in your new name, ensuring there are no typos or errors, as this will be the name displayed on your profile to others. Once you're satisfied with your new name, look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it to save your changes. Moomoo will update your name almost instantly, so you'll see your new name reflected right away. And there you have it, that's how you edit your name on Moomoo. It's a straightforward process, but if you ever need to make changes again, just follow these simple steps. Remember, keeping your profile updated helps in maintaining your personal brand, especially if you're using Moomoo for professional purposes. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your apps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.